This is the Kair smart fan. Just running through one of the first features you should understand when installing this fan. When you remove the front cover of the unit, this will automatically make the fan stop running. This is because there is a magnetic point behind one of the fixings, as you can see, which makes contact at the top of the fan above the display. So once you've removed this, the fan is not running, but you are still able to adjust the settings to what you require. Once you've done that, you can then replace the cover with the Kair logo at the bottom of the fan, ensuring that the metal contact, which is inside one of these lug holes, makes contact with the top of the fan.